Why it is the case that when you look at the picture which are taken indoor and picture which are taken outdoor, the difference is more clear in indoor picture between a mobile phone and a camera. It's not about the camera, it's about the techniques and skills. In this video, we will learn exactly that, how to get better indoor photos and videos. Especially I am talking about the perspective of shooting an event in an indoor hall. So if you know these things, your indoor pictures and videos would be better if you are going to shoot your event yourself. The technical answer first is when you are indoor, in most of the cases the light is less than in outdoor settings. Because mobile phone camera sensors are so small, they can take so much light in it. And that's why the pictures are grainy and dark sometimes. The other problem is the pictures are often looking yellowish and oranges. And the day pictures which you take with the same mobile phone is going to look bright and vibrant, so much colorful, so much details. You will learn how to fix that issue too. It's almost certain that if you are going to use your mobile phone for photographing your event, you are not carrying a light source. But it's a good idea to carry a battery powered video light with you. It would help a lot. If you are not having it, learn these tips. First of all, the best light is the light available to you. And some of the best light sources might be in front of your eyes, but you might not be able to see it. First one is the light from standees and these lighted things, branding materials. Generally these are illuminated, and try to see it as light source. If it's a light source, you will place it in front of your subject. Try to photograph there. Your subject would have proper lighting around their face and other areas. The next technical point is lock the white balance. When you check settings in your phone camera, both in photos and videos, there is an option of auto white balance. Because we talked that most of the indoor halls, event halls these days are yellowish and warm tone. You want picture to look corporate-ish, a little bit blue tone, so try to change that setting. Changing one by one, which looks most preferred, lock it there and shoot whole event in that white balance only if you are shooting at one place. The next point, in low light situation, clutter is often more amplified. So instead of taking pictures in front of that area where everything else is thrown away, do not do that. It will make picture look amateurish and imperfect. Instead, the idea is to try to move subjects and your camera angle in such a way that there is a less and less clutter in every image. When you are shooting the speaker and there is some glowing object, LED screen or projector behind him, try to go to different angle, lower angle, so that when you shoot them, the subject on top of the image frame or video frame is ceiling, which will generally be clean. In that case, when you take picture in this way, the subject you are photographing would be in focus and the viewer's eyes would get locked to it. Your work is done in this case. The next idea is to, instead of relying on zoom capabilities of iPhone and other phones, try to move closer. When you move closer, you get your camera lens capture more lights in that area. The next thing is looking at reflections. If you are shooting someone, look at their glasses. If it's reflecting light from some source, try to change the position little bit this side or this side. It will improve the picture, because if there are flares in the glasses, every audience would going to notice it in the photo. So it's better to get it fixed while shooting only. So let's revise. Lock the exposure, lock the white balance. Your photos would look consistent across the event. Move towards the subject instead of zooming. The third point which I discussed was to use the light sources which are available to you. If needed, move your position or your subject if the subject is standing or talking. The fourth point I talked, it's a bad idea to capture anyone in front of a glowing object, which in case may be some branding material or LED screen. If you are having light, external light, it can work. Without external light, it will ruin the photo. Now here comes my assistant in shooting your event or editing your event. If you have captured the footages and want me or us in Bangalore to edit it into final social media ready form, check the website. I have a service called Video Editor on Demand for Events, which is a convenient way to dump all your footages here, and we will make sure to edit it in social media ready package. So check out the website in the description. And if you want me to capture your event in Bangalore, check the description. I have put down the details there. And if you are going to shoot your event yourself anywhere in the world, check out this series. I have talked about almost every issue which will come across, all the things, all the shots to not miss, how to shoot speaker, how to shoot CEO, audio problems, mobile phone photography, camera, all this. So thank you.